Hey guys, now I'm using this product on my client. You know, it's my dad. And look at this. This does wonders for the skin. Now I'm going to go down so you can see. I hope you guys can hear it. I'm going to pick it up from the neck so you can see. It has 3 settings, guys. But it does wonders on my father's face. Look at this. I'm holding the phone with one hand and then using the device on the other one. So, bear with me. Right there and everything like that. Look at that. This is the little device, guys. It does work for the face. So follow my channel for a lot more videos, guys. I'll show you the final results. I'll be right back. Let me just finish doing what I'm doing here of cleaning my dad's face. You see? It even beeps. So I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm done. Tell me that didn't come out wonderful. And Daddy, how old are you?
73.
73, guys. And it does that for the skin. So I'll see everyone later. And follow my channel for a lot more DIY ideas, cleaning videos, and the whole 9 yards.